In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove shorts from YouTube app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. As you can see, now I'm scrolling down on YouTube app and it is not showing me any shorts here. That's because I've turned off shorts for that Google account. And now I'm gonna show you how you can easily do the same. To do that, first off, I'm gonna switch to another YouTube account. And then if we scroll down, we can easily find that shorts section here. And basically, guys, all we have to do in order to turn off shorts for the selected YouTube account is just tap at each short at these three dots and then select Not Interested. You need to do the same for each short, just like that. Then close YouTube app, open it up again, scroll down, and then continue doing the same steps. Just mark each video as not interested for you. Then close YouTube, open it again. And now if we scroll down, as you can see, I keep scrolling down. However, for now it is not showing me any shorts here because I've turned them off for that YouTube account. I don't know, guys, maybe it is temporary and they will reappear later, but at least for a few months we can turn shorts off for our YouTube account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.